second aspect that I wanted to talk about is the structure of our subject matter. So beneath this video you'll see a great suite of topics, and they divide into 4 categories. If I could just run through them now. Let's say category A contemplates the sort of problems that the student himself or herself generates. So these are problems typically of a student wilting, his or her inspiration flags, and the research no longer seems so exciting, you wonder where it's going. Or the candidate has a change of life circumstance or something like that. So these are things that we have to handle in supervising our candidates. Category B would be problems that aren't generated by the candidate but are generated by the supervisor, because the supervisor also gets into trouble. The supervisor changes his or her mind. The supervisor no longer finds their research interesting. The supervisor is never there, or the supervisor takes off overseas on a prestigious research grant or whatever. So all of a sudden we have problems that the candidate is actually more or less a victim of. And this can happen when we're really well-meaning supervisors, so that's very much in need of eyeballing. Category C would be not so much problems that arise because of the supervisor or the candidate, but how they handle situations, situations of a group that they're among, or a room that's drafty, or a lab that's not adequate, the whole physical environment. Sometimes we know our candidates hardly ever come on campus. Is that a good thing? Is that a bad thing? What are you going to do about it? These are the, again, typical things that heads of department but also supervisors need to think about. So the final category, category D, of our subject matter is the whole area of good research. Is it going to be ethically compliant? Does it adhere to all of the things that we really expect of research? Are we apprised of the ins and outs, all in certain circumstances debatable? And do we have a secure purchase of what is ethically correct?